Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time and it's kind of sucked because I haven't had that much time to record or whatever, but anyways, so today I'm gonna do a what I eat in a day. And so today I'm gonna start off with, I always usually start off with coffee, and I do use the sugar-free hazelnut creamer, and it's so good. I love it, and I use 3 servings of that. So sorry I did not get a chance to record that this morning. So thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned. Show you what I am eating for breakfast. Here it is. It's just egg whites, blueberries, strawberries, some cinnamon, and organic honey, and half peanut butter. Okay, so yes, and here I have my coffee, my sugar-free hazelnut coffee. Okay, so my first snack that I'm gonna be having today after my breakfast, it's already 12:56 and I'm just gonna have a cup of watermelon. I love watermelon because it's really low in calories and it's very filling because it has so much water in it. So, and because I'm just so lazy to like make something else right now because I am working, so 1 cup of watermelon is perfect for me. I wish I could have more. I'm probably gonna have more, maybe another cup, but later on tonight after the gym. And then I do add some Mexican tajin in here because hello, delicious. Okay, so let me show you guys my little bottle of tajin. This is my little bottle of tajin, and I just add a little bit. This is a 0-calorie seasoning, but it does have a lot of sodium, 190 milligrams of sodium, so I don't try to add a lot. Okay, so this is great on any of your fruit. If you haven't tried it, try it. It's delicious. And sorry about the mess in my room. Okay, so my first snack is going to be some watermelon with some little seasoning, and this is definitely my favorite snack because it's just like so low in calories and it fills you up a lot. So I'm just gonna add a little sprinkle of this, a little 2 shots of vodka. Just kidding, but it's super good and I highly recommend it. Okay, so next for my lunch, I'm gonna be having some tilapia. This is like the easiest thing to cook, so that's why I just like to get some tilapia. It's easy and high in protein, and it's super fast. That's why I really like it. It doesn't take much prepping. These, I got them at Fry's. They're 100 calories for a serving size of 4 ounces. Usually, I've seen like different calorie ones, but these are fine. And I don't know, that didn't make any freaking sense. But anyways, I usually eat around 2 tilapia fillets, and I weigh them and I do about 8 ounces. That's kind of what I eat for my lunch. I do like to use the Dash salt-free seasoning. It's my favorite. And I also add some of this Dash and I just go ahead and cook them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get some little sweet potatoes. They're not little, I hate cutting sweet potatoes. But what I do is I'll just measure it. I'll show you guys what I do actually. Basically, I grab some of these sweet potatoes right here. And these are super easy because you just literally just place it in the microwave on high for 8 to 10 minutes, and then you just cut it. One of these is 110 calories for 1 sweet potato, and that's 130 grams. So this is how I measure it. I go ahead and I get my scale, I put it to grams, and I measure it uncooked. So that's exactly 127 grams. That's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in a little bag because I'm not gonna be using that big bag, and I'm gonna put it on my microwave. It heats up pretty fast, so I'm gonna do it for 8 minutes and in the microwave, just like this. Oh, first you wanna wash it, okay? So don't forget. Oh, should have done that earlier. So I like to also add everything on my fitness pal, and I'm just gonna go ahead and scan this barcode and put how many servings of that I'm having, and there you go. So for my lunch, I'm gonna have 310 calories and a lot of protein, so it's great. Okay. And I actually put 8 minutes in the microwave for the sweet potatoes. I lied, I did not put 5. Tilapia, I always like to add half of a lemon and squeeze it on top, and then I'll do half of an avocado because I need some fats in my food, okay? I say I'm okay too much. It's just so I could be really like full since I'm trying to eat more volume and less calories. It's tilapia, avocado. I don't know, I knew I shouldn't have heated that up for 8 minutes, and I did, and then some spinach. And then, yes, this is before my workout. Hey guys, what's up? So I just freaking tried to stop at the gas station to get some of those Alani, whatever those things are called, like pre-workouts, and I couldn't find any at the gas station that I went to, so it sucks. And I have to take pre-workout. My favorite pre-workout is from Ghost. I need to drink something to try some new pre-workouts. Right now I'm kind of addicted to the Alani like energy drinks. They're so good. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right, but I want to try their dry scoop pre-workout just to mix it in my drinks. And then I'm also taking some pump from Ghost. Those are my 2 go-tos, especially on leg day. I think that you don't always have to take pre-workout.
Right now. You got a bunch of coke right here. Look, kick it off at least.
Sorry. You don't have to take pre-workout all the time. Obviously, that's not obviously whatever. That's
she does anyways.
I shouldn't, but I really like to. And yeah, it just makes me feel good, you know? Those good kind of drugs. So anything that makes you feel good, just do it. No, but seriously, I did put pump in here. This is my Ghost cup. Am I an Instagrammer yet?
Yeah, I mean,
is Ghost sponsoring me now?
You're drinking pre-workout.
So that was like the first workout of quarantine or whatever, and it was freaking great. It's so awesome, except I couldn't breathe half of the time and I was dying, but way better than working out at 114 degrees outside, let me tell you. It's probably not my best angle, but I don't care. Hey guys, so today for my last meal, and then I'm probably gonna have like a little snack, I went ahead and I bought some steak from Fry's because I didn't have any. Usually I would eat chicken or tilapia, but I didn't have any, or I didn't leave any to defrost, or tuna. I didn't have any, but I already bought some. And then I also saw some really cheap steaks at Fry's that you can always find, and I added mushrooms and some onions and some seasoning in it, and I'm just gonna have one of these, and I'll put the macros down below. And they're super good. I still have about 300 calories left, but everybody's different, so don't follow my calories. I'm just gonna share with you guys kind of what I eat based on my goals and my calories.
Did you put butter in there?
No, we're trying to be healthy here. No butter. I always use avocado oil. That's my favorite because it doesn't burn and it doesn't turn black. It has a 500 Fahrenheit smoke point. It's my favorite.
How many calories does it have?
0 calories.
Boom.
I have tried coconut oil, honestly, and I don't really like any other oils because they turn black. Like, I guess I burn things too much and I don't like it when it turns black. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll show you guys what I eat, my last meal is gonna look like. Okay, so this is what my meal looks like. It's super simple. It's just it doesn't look too good, but I mean, I'm freaking hungry, so it smells good. Mushrooms, onion, and then a little piece of tomato apparently. So yeah, and it's pretty good. Actually, I don't know if it's good, but let me try it. Let me just give it a try. I'm not a big steak eater, honestly, but the opportunity presented itself. I'm more of a medium rare kind of person, but it's pretty good, but I just don't like meat that much.
I don't think this is good.
It tastes too much like meat for me.
We should have added more stuff.
I don't like the taste of meat that much. So, I mean, it's not that great, honestly.
At least you're honest.
But it's high in protein. And that's all that matters, that it's something that's gonna feed me, you know? Can't be picky. Okay, so for my last snack, I'm gonna have just some bread, and I did do half a scoop of peanut butter and a 45-calorie bread. Okay guys, so thank you guys so much for watching. That concludes today's video. I did want to go ahead and sit down with you guys and kind of go over what my calories look like and what my current goal is. So I will go ahead and share that with you guys in just a few minutes, but that's gonna be me done for the day. Hey guys, so thank you so much for watching my YouTube video today. I'm just gonna get a little bit in depth with what I kind of do to try to stay healthy. Right now my goal is to cut. I have 6 weeks for this cut, and I'm actually like pretty strict on it right now. And I don't plan on cheating or anything like that. Maybe I'll have 1 cheat meal a week, but 1 meal, not a whole day. And I did forget to mention something extremely important. You need to try to drink at least, I like to drink at least 1 gallon of water a day. That's what my goal is, and yeah, I usually tend to do pretty good or pretty close to finishing it. I did get this a gallon on Amazon, and I like it because it comes with a straw, and honestly I just hate not drinking like things from a straw. The only thing that sucks is that it's so freaking huge, but I like it because you could just like fill it up and just drink it, and you don't have to worry about filling up your water constantly all day. And also I just try to drink a lot of water. I just try to drink as much water as possible because you need to hydrate, especially if you live in Arizona. It's so freaking hot. You're thirsty all the time, you know, not like thirsty, but like pretty thirsty, not that kind of way. And thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you have any of your favorite snacks that you would like to tell me about, because I love trying new things and new foods. I don't really eat the same thing every day, but it's pretty similar. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you all have a great night, and I hope COVID is over soon. So thank you guys, and have a great day. See you next time.